Hello, this is Erwin from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Do you want to know if you can use shipping labels in orders to ship them out from your system or from your website? Multisoft has been integrated with USPS and Endicia, and the integration also included the functionality of getting shipping labels for orders generated on the system. This will greatly help your company facilitate the order process and ship out your products easily for your members to receive. There are several things that you need to comply in order for you to successfully use the shipping label. First, you will need to create an account with USPS Endicia as the system will interact with their interface in order to generate the shipping label. You can go to Company, Shipping Management, Real-Time Integration, Shipping Providers, click on Endicia, and basically you will just need to enter this credentials. All of this will come from your Endicia account. Once these are completed, then you can just go ahead and click on the save and close button in order for your Endicia account to be activated. Once Endicia is there, next thing you need to do is you need to make sure that all of your products have been correctly set up. This means that if you go to one of your SKUs, you need to make sure that all of them has been marked for a warehouse. So just click on the SKU name, check inventory, make sure that it is on a warehouse. So you can see there's a check on a warehouse, click on packaging, make sure that there's a weight on your product. Alright. Once you verify that your SKUs are properly set up, you also need to make sure that there is an inventory of this particular SKU on your warehouse. So you will need to go to Products, Warehouse Management, Add Receive Inventory, and check if your SKU is already there. Now, if you need to add another SKU, then you can just go ahead and click on the Add SKU Receipt, select the product, select the SKU, and then enter the quantity and the cost of goods. Then hit on the save and close. That will make sure that you already have your SKU on your inventory. Once this is completed, then you can already proceed to Company, Shipping Management, Real-Time Integration, Shipping Labels. Alright, so it will display all of the orders that you have on the system. These are physical products. Then you just need to put a check mark on the product that will generate the shipping label. Once you put a check mark, it will give you a brief preview of the product. Alright, the items to be shipped and how many does your warehouse has. So it has 200 quantity and you're going to ship one. So once you verify that this is the order that you want to generate, the shipping label, then you just need to click on this link, Generate Labels. And this will generate the shipping label on your order, and this will also update the shipping status of the order when you go to the search order module, as this will mark the shipping status of your order as shipped. Please share this webinar training with your company admins and support team in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped or how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions or if you want to schedule a training with our CSR or would like to speak with one of our account executives, please call us at 239-945-6433, or you can submit a help desk ticket at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com. Thank you.